All right, the deadbolt. Let's go here. We got the recovery line made by me. Fish hook, cord, stretchy cord from jewelry, and just a jewelry hook that I do. 3D printed bumper. We got the skid 9-gram Scx brass. We got the brass knuckles. We got the Scx rotors. I matched the wheels, the tires with the axial because rock lizards just kind of look sick on this build. Flip this around, cut the 2 lights so the driver can see. We got the accessories in the back. This one's being held by a magnet because it's just dope. We got aluminum axles, and these are powder coated by my buddy Scott Olson. If you're interested in powder coating parts, he does a phenomenal job. He's on Facebook group Micro Obsessions right there if you want to look him up. What else we got? Mofo, because he's dope. What else we got? Yeah, we got the flex blades in the back. We got the Goblin chassis. It's now Hard Parks. He bought it off the guy because I guess he doesn't no longer make them. We got a dual battery setup here, 1S each. I run these because it's 90C discharge, so it's got quite a punch. Usually use these for drones and stuff, but I said, what the heck? Barrage motor. I don't know if the gearing's changed. Maybe, I don't know. I always mess with the gearing too, but maybe not. What else? Trio high-rise links. I don't know if I mentioned that. And my skids. And that's about it, really. And that's the deadbolt. Thanks.